Dr. Rossner and his staff are just wonderful. I've been coming to him for about 10 years now. When I first started, all I wanted to say, rip out my teeth and let's do dentures, because that would make me very happy. And he says, no, no, no. And we started the process of taking care of, major problems first. And then, he asked if I was ever interested in straightening my teeth. And I said, absolutely. So I waited until my two other children who had braces were finished, and then it was my turn. And the experience is wonderful. It's not like you have to walk around and worry about people staring at you. It's like you have your trays, you change them out every 2 weeks, and then you come in and he gives you the new ones to, and he checks your teeth and makes sure which ones are getting straight, and if there's any problems, he takes care of it right away. And staff-wise, they're encouraging. They tell you look great and just keep it up and things like that.